Now there's a few cool things we can do with the channel view. So we can select channels and drag and drop them to a text editor, and the names and the channel IDs will be copied. So for example, if I select both of these channels and open up Notepad++, let's create a new page, and click and drag and drop into Notepad++, you can see that we have the channel name and we have the channel IDs. Now another cool thing is that we can drag the channel XML into the channels view and import channels and groups. So for example, I have our first channel XML, so I can grab this and drag and drop into the channels view, and it's going to import my channel. So here we can save our changes. So that's one way of getting around importing channels.